Dear Pastor, I am married to a man and he has helped me a lot and I trust him. He came to Jamaica with me and we bought a piece of land. His children never liked me. They didn't want him to marry a black woman, but he went behind their backs. He is 20 years older than I am. I made up my mind that I would be faithful to him. I had many guys in my life and none of them treated me as well as this man. When he came to Jamaica with me, I told him that we should buy a piece of land there. He said that he would not come to Jamaica to live, but Jamaica is my country, so he was not against helping me buying the land. I bought a 1/4 acre and it was quick time. Everything went through. I have the title. I have a niece. She came to the US and stayed with me for 6 weeks. She got very familiar with my husband and offered him her body. One morning, I went to the JAMAICAN store and left my husband at home. My niece was at the house and by the time I got back, she was sitting in my husband's lap and it looked like they were kissing. All she had on was a bra and a skimpy underwear. I got so mad and I started to cuss both of them. I told her to leave. She was trying to mutter something, but I was so mad I didn't hear anything. She said she was only squeezing bumps on his face. I told her that was not her job. That was for me to do. She called a friend and asked her to pick her up, but she left her clothes here. My husband tried to convince me that they didn't have sex and they were not kissing. This girl is my favorite niece. I didn't expect her to come into my house and try to take away my husband. I also found a little pot on which my husband keeps records. I saw that while she was in Jamaica, every week my husband sent her 350 US. I did not know he was doing that. When I asked him about it, he accused me of searching his things and he said he was only trying to help her support the 2 children she has because their father is not giving her anything. I can't trust her again. I called her children's father and told him what I saw. Now because of this girl, my husband is turning against me and my niece is staying with the same friend who picked her up. My niece said she is not going back to Jamaica, so I can do what I want to do. Sometimes I feel like reporting her to immigration. Do you think I should?